In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Acuity Scheduling. This app by Squarespace is available for both Android and iPhone or iPad devices. It's a powerful tool that allows you to manage appointments, calendars, clients, and payments. Let's get started on how to download it and make scheduling on the go a breeze. First, we'll open the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android device, you'll want to open the Google Play Store. For those on an iPhone or iPad, you should open the App Store. This is your gateway to downloading apps and essential for getting Acuity Scheduling on your device. The App Store is where you'll find the latest and most trusted apps for your needs. Now, in the search bar, type Acuity Scheduling. Make sure you look for the app published by Squarespace Inc. It's important to download the correct app to ensure you have access to all the features and security provided by the official version. The right app will have the most recent updates and support from the developers. Next up, it's time to install the app. On Android, simply tap on Install. If you are on an iPhone or iPad, tap Get. Wait patiently for the download and installation process to finish. This step is crucial as it ensures that the app is correctly installed on your device. Once installed, you will be ready to explore all its features. After the installation is complete, open the app. You can do this by tapping Open right from the store or by locating the app on your home screen. This action will launch the app, putting you one step closer to managing your appointments efficiently. It's always exciting to open a new app and start exploring what it has to offer. At this point, you will need to sign in. Log in with your existing Acuity Scheduling or Squarespace account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one through Acuity Scheduling. Having an account is important because it allows you to save your preferences and synchronize your schedules across devices. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded Acuity Scheduling on your device. This app is now ready to help streamline your scheduling needs, whether you're managing personal appointments or handling business meetings. Remember, having the Acuity Scheduling app at your fingertips means you can access your calendar and appointments anytime, anywhere. Feel free to explore the app's features and customize it to suit your preferences. The more you familiarize yourself with its capabilities, the more effectively you'll be able to manage your time. A well-organized schedule can make a world of difference in your productivity. Thanks for joining me today in learning how to download Acuity Scheduling. I hope this helps you manage your appointments with ease and efficiency. Be sure to check back for more tutorials on maximizing your digital tools. Until next time, happy scheduling.